What is the difference between ATP Slams, Masters, and 500s? If you are curious about the different levels of tennis tournaments and how they impact player success, you are in the right place. The Association of Tennis Professionals Tour categorizes its events based on the ranking points awarded, which reflects their prestige and difficulty. Let's break it down. First, we have the Grand Slams. These are the most significant tournaments: the Australian Open, the French Open, Wimbledon, and the United States Open. Winning a Grand Slam earns a player to 1,000 ranking points, the highest available. These tournaments offer the largest prize money and attract the strongest players in the world. Grand Slams are seen as the most prestigious titles in tennis and can define a player's career. Next up are the ATP Masters 1000 events, often referred to as Masters. There are 9 of these tournaments held annually, and they are just below Grand Slams in importance. A victory in a Masters event awards 1,000 ranking points, which is half of what a Grand Slam winner receives. These tournaments feature many top-ranked players and are highly competitive. Winning a Masters title is a significant milestone for any player. Examples include Indian Wells, Miami, and Monte Carlo. Then we have the ATP 500 tournaments. Winning one of these events gives players 500 ranking points. While they are more prestigious than ATP 250 events, they are a tier below Masters. ATP 500 tournaments attract higher-ranked players and offer substantial prize money. Success in these events can help players improve their rankings and gain entry into bigger tournaments. For context, ATP 250 tournaments are the entry-level events on the ATP Tour. They provide 250 points to winners and generally feature smaller prize money and less competitive fields compared to 500 and Masters events. When it comes to tournament dynamics, players carefully plan their schedules to maximize their ranking points and prize money. They often prioritize Grand Slams and Masters events, but ATP 500 tournaments are also important. These events provide opportunities for players to gain experience and points, especially for those looking to break into higher levels of competition. Consistent performance in ATP 500 events can lead to better seedings in Masters and Grand Slams. Statistically, success rates at ATP 500 and 250 events often indicate a player's readiness to compete at higher levels. In summary, the differences between ATP Slams, Masters, and 500s lie in their ranking points, prize money, and the strength of the player fields. Grand Slams are at the top, followed by Masters, and then ATP 500 tournaments. This hierarchy shapes the importance of each tournament throughout the tennis season.